Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to enable and customize always on display on iPhone 17 Pro. Always on display on your iPhone 17 Pro is designed to give you information at a glance without having to wake up your phone. And if I lock my screen, you will see that it's completely black because I have always on display disabled. So let's go through it step by step and I will show you how to enable it and how to customize it. Go to settings and you want to scroll to section display and brightness, and here if you scroll down you will see an option always on display. So let's go here and you have to toggle this on. And from this moment, your iPhone will keep the screen dimly turned on, showing only time, your widgets, and also some notifications if you have those. So let's go through customization. Here you can see 3 options that you can customize to yourself. It's completely up to you, your preferences. So you can disable show wallpaper, and in this way I will not see my wallpaper, only black screen. Yes, and let me turn this back on. About blurring wallpaper photo, I will not do that because as you can see on my wallpaper I have solid screen, solid color, so it will not simply work for me. But you can turn this off and you will have your wallpaper blurred. And also you can disable show notifications, and in this way you will not see notifications on your lock screen. So yeah, that's basically it. And also additionally, what I wanted to say that this always on display is smart because it turns off automatically when your phone is face down, or it is in your pocket, or for example when low power mode is on, so it will not drain your battery unnecessarily. So yeah, that's basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.